Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to back up WhatsApp business messages. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have, and download the WhatsApp business application. Now guys, when you did that, you just need to go and of course log into your profile, which if you have a hard time doing, you can go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to WhatsApp videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have everything about the tools on this application. And here we have these, on the bottom we have the updates, calls, tools, we have your chats, and the settings option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and back up WhatsApp business messages. So guys, this is just pretty easy. You just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it. First of all, you need to go and click on the bottom right corner, which is the settings option. And here guys, in the settings options, you would need to go from the first category, not the second, not the third category, but go to the fourth category, where guys, as you can see, you have the storage and data. You need to click on the storage and data, which is the fifth option, as you can see. And here guys, you can go to the main storage and you can always go and back up everything that you have about messages, pictures, or whatever you have. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this guys really helps us grow this channel. So guys, if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for the video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be guys seeing you as always in the next video. Bye guys.